Hello everyone, welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. Today I am going to attempt, I've never made it before, attempt to make limoncello. Now I just watched a few videos, I'll put the links down below, very cute gentleman that explains how to make limoncello, and he's in Sorrento, Italy. And over the summer/fall, my husband and I went over to Europe. We were on a 40-day vacation. We did 36 days on a cruise ship and hit 15 different countries, and one of them was Italy. And we went to Sorrento, Positiano, and oh my gosh, most beautiful country I've seen. Oh, the cliffs, but everything in Sorrento, Positiano, they really push organic. And here in Arizona, we've got lemon trees and a lot of them, and so it spurred me to decide to make limoncello. Positiano, I got this cute little bowl and a spoon and everything on it. Let's see if I can get in there. Look at that, lemons. They really do love their lemons and their limoncello. So I had some extra vodka. I made some lemon extract, and I had some extra vodka. Now in the videos, they show you to use 95% grade alcohol. Put Everclear in it. Some recipes have vodka and Everclear. I'm going to go ahead and use my leftover Tito's. When I was younger, I drank the heck out of Everclear just in parties and stuff, but the older I get, I don't like the taste, and so I'm going to use some good vodka, and we'll see how it turns out. Come along as I make limoncello. So in this recipe, they really impress organic. And I love that idea. So you get your lemons, clean them. I don't have to do much to them because ours is coming straight off a tree. And what you do is you peel your lemons. Now, some people use the peeler like this. I am better off with a knife. I can handle it better. I'm not going to sit there and take my knuckles off with a peeler. So use whatever works for you. And what you want to do is you want to take off the zest of the lemon. So you want to try to go as little as possible without the pith in it, because the pith is bitter. And we're just going to sit here and we're going to peel our lemon peels. I'm going to also make, with all this leftover lemon juice, a lemon cake. Super yummy. The lemon cake, the recipe that I learned was years ago, and it came from one of my grandmother's next door neighbors. And he literally would make this cake, put it in a freezer, and he would call it his hardship, kind of a hardship cake. And so if there was somebody that lost a relative or somebody in the neighborhood, he would bring this cake. And he brought this cake when we had lost a family member. And I just thought it was the neatest gesture. So now I'm going to put all my lemon peels inside a quart-sized mason jar. And we're going to fill it up with our vodka. Alrighty. Now this is going to sit for 3 days. I can't wait to try the limoncello. The memories of being in Italy, Sorrento, Positiano. Come along, let me show you. They build frames for the trees that keeps the bugs and the birds and everything away, but it keeps them from using pesticides, keeps everything away. So they have fresh, non-pesticide lemons, olives, so olive oil, limoncello. Cool.
And actually they were ruling. So that's why Naples is a yellow city, because when the painting, the paint come down, you will see the yellow behind. And it's a very good stone. It's strong and light, so allow us to build up, to build high, without using the iron, the reinforced cement. And it's the same stone.
Such a beautiful, beautiful countryside. And they're so organic minded. They have nets over the trees to keep the bugs out. They do not use pesticides. And so you're getting a really good limoncello. If you don't want to make your own, look for something that was made in Positano, Sorrento. And you know, the memories. I buy little things like towels that have the name of Sorrento, my little spoon, little bowl. And so when you're cooking, you're doing your things, you get reminded of your vacation. So next little clip's gonna be me showing my girlfriend my limoncello and letting her try it. We'll see if she likes it. Well, I'm with my girlfriend Susie, and we've got limoncello here this morning, and she's gonna try it.
Okay, because I like this. So.
She's just gonna drink it straight out, like moonshine style. Honest opinion.
No, it's actually
straight
really
up,
good.
It's
and
straight up vodka.
I don't think it's very strong.
Are you kidding me?
But no, this is great. I dig this on ice.
Okay. All right, this is my girlfriend Carla. She's gonna give it a try.
She just doesn't give a shit.
Oh, I like that.
And this is my girlfriend Susie, and she's giving it a try.
I didn't know we were doing it over.
I did.
I'm gonna be drunk by the time you're done.
I'm gonna give it a try. This is crazy today. Much better. Now, when you first put the sugar in, the alcohol, let it sit overnight before you honestly give it a try and let it all blend and everything get together. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Have a blessed day.